Hello everyone, in the previous video we have learned how we can sign up for Canva. Now we are going to learn something from Canva right now. We are going to start how to create logo in this video. So logo inspiration, let's start this. Whether you're starting your business from scratch, rebranding, or simply looking for logo inspiration, you have come to the right place. So what will this article cover? In this article below, we will provide you with the ultimate logo inspiration. Table of content, what we will be learning. What is a logo? Why is a logo important? The evolution of logos, why you need a logo, creating a logo the smart way. Smart for project management, smart is specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bounded. Let's just skip it for now. How to create a logo, types of logos, steps to designing your logo, seeing how your logo fits, where your logo should appear. What is a logo? Brand stamp, favicon, coat of arms, whatever you call it. Your logo is your brand's identity and it represents who you are. The word logo derives from the Greek language, traditionally meaning a word, thought, or governing principle, and that classification still rings true today. And now with digital apps and avatars added to the mix, a single symbol that captures a brand essence is more essential than ever. Means a single symbol. Logo is like a symbol. If you don't already have a logo, we are going to show you how you can create a mark to call your own. So which template you want to use? Like I'm gonna use this template. Error, didn't have to test. Back again. Anyway, we are here. Why is a logo important? A logo is the face of your business and it's often the first thing customers see. Just think about how many logos you come into contact with every day. Starting from where you first reach for your favorite breakfast brand in the morning to your favorite show or publisher at the end of the day. These are logos. As well as identifying who you are. Your logo can specify what your industry you are in. Good one. In many cases, you can tell if a business is a restaurant versus a web brand just by looking at the logo. If you need proof, take a look at some great examples of logo industry here. Food, and it is chicken. These are logos. When your logo appears across all your touch points, email, website, social channels, and printed materials, you start to build a recognizable brand. That's important for a number of reasons. Your logo is a shorthand for what you do. No need to explain yourself over and over. Your logo creates meaning. People become familiar with your work, understanding what you are all about and what to expect. Your logo builds trust. We lean toward brands we have used before and tend to place trust in them over the competitors. The evolution of logo. Logo exists for a long time. Your product. We don't need to know about it. Why you need logo? Any person with a business or service should have a logo. While profile pics are great to tell the world who you are, it has limitations in that it doesn't tell the world what you do or what you offer. That's where a logo is extremely useful. The purpose of the logo is to inform people of what you do or offer, distinguish yourself from competitor, help and look professional. Help you attract the right customers, help you get recognized and secure repeat in business. Right customers, that's the most important thing. Like if you're selling some online thing and some person clicks on your ad and comes to your website to buy some physical stuff there, you won't be able to give him. Instead, you will end up paying Google hundreds of dollars for that mistake of yours. it will help you in that. It is my own personal experience, so believe me. Now, creating a logo the smart way, we will talk about in the next video.